This is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I'm going to show how you can check your data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Settings app. In here, enter the Network and Internet category. Onwards, go for the mobile network. Choose the SIM card that you would like to check the cellular data usage for. So in my case, there is none at the SIM1, and well, if you have any data usage, actually, you'll have the app data usage section available, so you can go for it, enter the mobile data usage page, and see the general amounts of mobile data used, as well as how much of it was used by what particular application or service. You can also change the period of time that you're checking the data usage for. In my case, it's a fresh system, so it only shows the current period, but if you are using this phone for some time now, you'll be able to see the previous the statistics, the mobile data usage statistics for previous month and even years as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.